What if I told you? What if I told you? I handed ChatGPT $10,000 of real money and one simple instruction. Build me a stock portfolio that beats the market. No human input, no second guessing, pure AI. It's been 30 days. And the results? Honestly, I did not expect this. Welcome to Sensient Gains. This is the start of a brand new series where we let AI invest real money and track the results every single month. This isn't hypothetical. This isn't a simulation. This is real money, a real brokerage account, and a real AI making every single decision. If you want to follow along, subscribe now, because this is going to be a wild ride. Let me explain exactly how I set this up so you can replicate it yourself. Step 1. I opened a brokerage account, deposited exactly $10,000, nothing else in the account. Step 2. I went to ChatGPT 4.0 and gave it this exact prompt. You are a professional portfolio manager with 20 years of experience. I have $10,000 to invest in U.S. stocks. Build me a diversified portfolio of 8 to 12 stocks, optimized for growth over the next 12 months. Consider current market conditions, sector rotation, and risk management. Provide exact ticker symbols and dollar allocations. Step 3. Whatever ChatGPT told me to buy, I bought. No changes, no opinions, pure AI decisions. Here's what it chose. ChatGPT allocated the money across these stocks. It picked a mix of large cap tech, a couple of healthcare names, some clean energy, and one small cap AI company that I had never even heard of. The reasoning was surprisingly sophisticated. It balanced growth and defense. It diversified across sectors. It even explained why it avoided certain popular stocks that it considered overvalued. Honestly, it read like a report from a Wall Street analyst. Okay, so it's been exactly 30 days. Let's look at the numbers. Starting value, $10,000. The S&P 500 in the same period returned about 1.2%. A standard 60-40 portfolio returned about 0.8%. ChatGPT's portfolio, it returned 2.7%. That's more than double the S&P 500. $10,000 became $10,270 in 30 days with zero human intervention. Now, before you get too excited, let me break down what actually happened. The biggest winner was the small cap AI company, up 11% in 30 days. ChatGPT identified this company before most analysts even had it on their radar. The biggest loser was one of the clean energy picks, down about 4%. The reasoning made sense at the time, but a policy change hurt the sector. The rest of the portfolio, steady. Nothing spectacular, nothing terrible. Exactly what diversification is supposed to do. So here's the real question. Is ChatGPT actually good enough to replace a financial advisor? Let me give you some context. The average actively managed mutual fund underperforms the S&P 500 about 85% of the time over 10 years. 85%. So the bar is actually pretty low. If ChatGPT can even match the S&P 500 consistently, it's already outperforming most of Wall Street. And remember, ChatGPT costs $20 a month. A financial advisor charges 1% of your portfolio per year. On a $100,000 portfolio, that's $1,000 a year versus $240. This experiment might prove that AI is the greatest wealth equalizer in history. Now, this is just month 1, 30 days. We cannot draw conclusions from 1 month. The real test is what happens over 12 months. Markets crash, markets rally, sectors rotate. Can ChatGPT adapt? Next month, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to rebalance the portfolio. Should it sell the losers, double down on the winners, rotate into new sectors? Whatever it says, I'll do it. No questions asked. Pure AI. So after 30 days, ChatGPT's portfolio is up 2.7%, beating the S&P by more than double. This is just the beginning. Every month, I'll update you. I'll show you the numbers. I'll show you the trades. And at the end of 12 months, we'll have real, hard data on whether AI can actually beat human investors. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss the monthly updates. This might be the most important investment experiment of 2026. Drop a comment below. Do you think ChatGPT will beat the S&P 500 after 12 months? I want to hear your prediction. The free AI investing toolkit is in the description below at sentientgains.com. I'm Sentient Gains. Stay smart. Stay ahead. I'll see you in the next one.